this is for hip extension. So the first version is to start in quadruped position. You draw one leg back behind you, lifting the leg up and then down, trying to not arch your back. Okay. And then do that again, bring that leg back behind you, and then up and down. You can alternate left and right so that she has to keep the weight in the center. Good. You can add an arm into this, so you can draw the opposite arm, you lift and lower. Again, trying not to arch your back, and then trying to also keep that knee right under the hip. Good. The second version is coming all the way down to the stomach. Hands are right under the forehead. You lift one leg up behind you, and then down, and the other leg. Good, keep going, trying not to arch your back. And the image is to trying to get the big toe going away from the hip. Good. The last version is to come into a kneeling position. Good, tuck your knees underneath your body. Good, with one knee in and the other one extended behind you. From here, trying to lift your belly button off your thigh, you lift the back knee or back leg off the ground and then come down. Now place your forehead on your hands as you do this. Good, still trying to lift from the belly button. Good, extending the legs back behind you and down.